Hello, I am Teresa Bicchetti, Livestock and Natural Resource Advisor for San Joaquin and Stanislaus counties. Today, I'm going to walk through how to register for an online auction, specifically the upcoming California Wool Growers Association's annual California Ram Sale, which is on April 17th and 18th. This year, it will only be available online. We're going to be walking through how to register on an iPhone. Screenshots will be available for an iPhone as well as for an Android, and Dan Macon has a full video on how to register from your laptop. Once you're at the Wool Growers website, select the drop-down menu and select News and Events. From here, this will pull up a calendar. Selecting the 17th will show you the Ram sale. Scrolling down on the Ram sales page, you will see the website for Susan Taylor Show Services, who is hosting the online auction. This will take you to her page, and you will see that the Wool Growers sale is coming up. From when I made this, 10 days and 19 hours and 9 minutes. You can click in the middle of the black box to register. From here, you will want to register as a new bidder. First thing that you need to do is entering in an email address. I will enter my UCANR email address. And you do that twice to confirm that you have correctly entered your email address. Oop. There we go. Hit the check email, and it is now going to ask you for information about yourself. So I'm going to say I'm with University of California Cooperative Extension and enter my name. We are in the United States. I'm going to enter my office number, address. Suite A in Modesto. And that, of course, is in California. And our zip code, 95358. Phone number, I'm going to enter my office number, 209-525-6800. You can also enter a cell phone and a fax number. And you can put cell phone and landline in whichever order you want. You can choose a username. I'm going to use part of my name here. Oh, sorry, that was password, not re-entering the username. I need to follow the directions. Confirm your password. Let's see if I was able to type them correctly. Email address it brought in for me. Oh, and I did not put my passwords the same. That is a common mistake I have, especially on my cell phone. So from there, you can choose if you want to have your username public or not, and if you would like to have notifications and newsletters. So you click correct, create your account from there, and it tells you successfully have created your account. From here, you do need to register and agree to the terms of service for each individual sale. So that's what this will be doing for the specific California Ram sale. You can send any notes you might have to the auctioneer, and then the terms and conditions are listed for you to read through. Once you've read through them all, check the box to agree to them, and you can submit your registration. And now I have successfully completed registration so that I can purchase a ram on the California ram sale coming up on April 17th and 18th. If you have any questions regarding any of this, steps will be included on Dan Macon's website for further information as well as help on the day of the sale. Thank you very much, and hopefully this was some use for you.